And you know, the tree isn't the only place this train can go. We can go someplace else too, like maybe to Knott's Berry Farm. Yeah.
Coming up on the bird cage. What's going to be in there today?
You're not an elf.
I am?
Prove it.
Okay.
Make me a toy.
All right. There, you're a toy.
Can you get me on the shelves by Christmas?
With any luck.
And now, oh God, the three Scrooges. Humbug! 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 You were flat. Hey, leave them all. Why you? What are you laughing at?
A lovely trip along the Milky Way. I stopped off at the North Pole to spend a holiday. I called on dear old Santa Claus to see what I might see. He took me to his workshop, and this he said to me. Oh, you better watch out. You better not cry. Better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list. He's checking it twice. Gonna find out who's naughty or nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good. So be good for goodness sake. With little horns and little toy drums, Rudy toot toot and rummy tum tum. Santa Claus is coming. Santa Claus is coming. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Twas the night before Christmas, and down on 34th was a guy they called Nick at a pole they called North. I stepped into his office. A chill touched the air. He had not a desk, but he had a big chair. I sat on his lap, and it all just spilled out. What I wanted and dreamed, all my hopes and my doubts. He took it all in, didn't judge, didn't blame. When I finished, he gave me a cute candy cane. I winked with my left, he winked with his right. Merry Christmas to all, and to all, a good night.
Mr. Cratchit!
Yes, sir.
Put another parcel of coal on that fire and wait a minute. What are you doing? What is that?
It's a camcorder, sir. It's sort of an early Christmas present.
What are you doing?
Well, I promised Tiny Tim that you'd sing a song for him.
A song?
Yes, sir.
Oh, very well. I don't know why I even bother. But I suppose it's a little tight. I can infuse him with a few new values, eh?
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Scrooge would have been a much happier fellow had one of the spirits of Christmas issued him a banjo.
That's what I want.
for Tiny Tim, and I hope he enjoys it.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Second thought, Cratchit. Put one or two more particles of coal on the fire. I feel a bit of a draft.
Yes, sir.
I don't know where it's coming from. I caulked up those windows. I don't understand it. Well, back to work, back to work.
There's nothing like good comedy, and that was nothing like good comedy.
I'll be home for Christmas. You can plan on me. Please have snow and mistletoe and presents on the tree. Christmas Eve will find me where the love light gleams. I'll be home for Christmas if only my dreams. Christmas Eve will find me where the love light gleams. I'll be home for Christmas if only my dreams. If only
Due to a clerical error in the afterlife, Ebenezer Scrooge was visited not by the spirit of Jacob Marley, but by the ghost of Bob Marley.
Hey, Scrooge! It's Christmas, man. Lighten up.
Do you mean lighten up or light up?
Yes.
But you're feathered in ganja, man. Why is that?
It is the ganja I smoked in life, man. Oh, I made it. Yard by yard. Reefer by reefer. Oh, it is a ponderous chain, man.
Oh, Jacob, please speak some comfort to me. Some comfort, please.
Merry Christmas, man.
Thank you.
I have plenty.
Let's get together and feel alright. That's what Christmas is all about, man.
Feel the force of Christmas, Darth Scrooge.
Oh, may the humbug be with you.
All right, Scrooge. Your money or your life? Well,
I'm thinking it over.
I don't write this stuff, you know. They just make me say it.